Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel, I will be teaching you my chickpeas recipe. Chickpeas is packed with nutrients, is rich in fiber, it's got protein, vitamin B, is rich in iron, and many more. Let's get started. First, I'm going to add salt to my chicken breast. In goes black pepper. In goes my jumbo seasoning and rub it in. Now it's time to fry my chicken breast. My pan has heated up. Now it's time to add my olive oil. In goes olive oil. Allow it to heat up a little bit. Now it's time to add my chicken breast. In goes my chicken breast. Allow to fry on one side and then turn it to the other side. Ensure your chicken breast is properly fried. Now it's time to take it out and cut. After cutting, I'm going to set it aside and I'm going to move on to the next step. My pot has heated up. I'm going to add my olive oil. In goes my olive oil. Allow it to heat up a little bit. Next, in goes my onion. Allow to fry for 30 seconds. Next, in goes my ginger. Stir. In goes my garlic. Stir. Next, in goes my chili and stir. Now it's time to add my paprika. In goes paprika. Stir. In goes turmeric. And now it's time to add my tomato. In goes my tomato sauce and stir. Allow to fry for at least 5 minutes. Now it's time to add my jumbo seasoning. In goes my jumbo seasoning. Stir. In goes my salt and stir. Next, in goes my chicken and stir. Allow to simmer for at least 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add my spinach. Stir. Allow to cook for 1 more minute. Now it's time to add my chickpeas. In goes my chickpeas. And allow to simmer again. As you can see, it's colorful, it's beautiful, and now I'm going to allow it to cook for 2 more minutes and it's ready to serve. And now it's been chicken served. Look at that. It is yummy, it's delicious, and like I said, it is healthy. You can have this with your bread. You can even have it without bread. It is okay. You can serve it as a side dish. It is okay. Just enjoy it whichever way you want it to be served. I'm sure you guys enjoyed today's video. Have you already subscribed? If you've not yet subscribed, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.